I could have just eaten this whole thing for breakfast.
Like, I got this piece of wonderful bread. I haven't done anything with it.
You like some more bread?
Oh, no, there's plenty of food. Thank you. What's the name of the town we're in, Clyde?
Leskovik.
Leskovik.
Leskovik
Leskovik.
with an L.
With an L.
This is soup. It is mix of vegetables like eggplants, paper, and everything like that. It's with a lot of proteins in it. Also, the meat is from the zone. Like everything is from our gardens.
So they call it a soup, but it's more like a stew.
Oh, that's really good.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
And what's the name of the soup?
Here in Albania, we call it turli. Turli. It's like a mix. In Albania, it means mix of vegetables.
The soup is like a really hearty, like vegetable beef stew. Got a little bit of a tomato base and oil, and the beef just completely melts away in your mouth.
This is a traditional pie. We call it burek here in Albania. It's made with spinach and a lot of greens. We usually like to eat very healthy here in Albania.
That's the one thing I really like. That we've been traveling through Albania. Pretty much everything is farm to table. This pork meat's from the village.
Yes.
Yeah, that's good.
That pork is good,
This is good too.
flavorful. I like when you put on the pork. Is this feta cheese or what kind of cheese?
Good.
I know. I mean, I love it. I can eat it everywhere. Oh, different kind of rock, you know. This one's a little bit more yellow.
Sorry, I just had a fingernail.
Oh,
What is it?
You can smell the fruit. I don't know what it is. You know what it is?
Nose.
Oh,
What's it taste like?
I don't know how to describe it because Rocky has its own flavors, but I don't know how to describe Rocky at all.
Kind of rakia because it's the same way we do the rakia, but we also add some additional plants on that. Yes, some additional plants like tea and etc. And that's why it doesn't have a different aroma compared to like regular water tastes like grapes,
Uh-huh.
but that tastes like some different flowers.
That's what the aroma is the flowers.
Here's the aroma of the regular one.
Yeah, now that you say that, I can smell the flower.
What do you
What's that?
don't like?
Oh, I do. I just won't have room. If I eat all of that, I won't have room for anything else.
That's why I'm eating like.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
So here we have three types of very delicious jams that we make here in Leskovik. This is made by watermelon. This is by grapes and cherry. And this is by fig.
Oh.
Also, this is a very delicious plate with fruits and also with honey that we make here in Leskovik. Leskovik has a lot of bees which make a very delicious honey and also some kernel inside of it. So please enjoy.
So do you put the jams on the fruit? Or do you eat separate?
No.
Separately? Okay. I am trying watermelon. Very different. I don't even know how to describe it.
Is it watermelon the fruit or?
No.
Not the fruit. Not the
Okay.
fruit. It's a little bit of the fruit inside, but it's mostly made with the outer part.
Oh, from the rind.
It's very different. You want to try it?
I do now that it's made out of the rind.
Here.
So I've never heard of anybody actually using the watermelon rind to turn it into a dessert. It's sweet. It's got good flavor. It's not bitter.
It doesn't have the texture of watermelon, which
No,
I
yeah.
like. This is a cherry. I'll try the fig. Tastes like a fig Newton,
Oh, really? The cookie?
but like the best part of a fig Newton, like brings back good memories of being a kid and eating a fig Newton. But this is far and away superior, obviously. You want some of this?
What? Put the cinnamon on it.
And honey? I've had banana and honey, but I don't know if I've ever had apple and honey.
Mm.
Have you?
No.
I could have just eaten this whole thing for breakfast
Shrimp.
with a little bread and
Mm-hmm.
the tea. I was so happy to get tea this morning. I mean, these were good to try too, but they were a little, I think, deeper with the flavors. Like maybe a
The
little.
watermelon rind is different. Never
That.
touch.
That's fascinating. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like watermelon because I don't like the texture and it tastes like nothing. But that was good. I'm gonna start making this at home. It won't be the same because of the honey.
No, you get local honey. And we buy it. We blow
It's
it.
not Albanian honey.
It's local in Utah.
Dr. Say, what did you be like? Okay.
Amazing meal.
Very much. Thank you.
Want some good Albanian food? Come and try it.